Welcome to Padinare Online Summer Camp, where the days are filled with mystery and science, art, craft, and knowledge of continuous fun called as life. The journey of 5 days started from brain, universe, green neighbors, evolution, and cooking while witnessing the Limca Book of Records. With art of cartooning, paper, coffee, mandal, evoking your writer, speaker, and inner self, and many, many more. So let's begin reliving the journey. For easy and better remembrance of children, to overcome slow internet connections, low bandwidth, low connectivity, we were equipped with daily uploads of sessions of summer camp on online platform like YouTube, where kids could watch videos, catch up the speed, and relive their summer camp moments whenever they can.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Mrs. Monica Niranjan, as First Lady of Padinare, welcomes you all in summer camp. As you know, due to the present scenario of COVID-19, when we all stuck up in our home, especially our children, when summer vacation begins and they are supposed to make most of it. But don't worry, children. We found the way through e-platform to reconnect, learn, and enjoy with each other through our online summer camp. Children interested around the community and associated with our Padinare family are the part of this camp. For opening address, I would like to request Mrs. Sunita Panchanathan. She is the senior lady of our Padinare family, and she has vast experience of 10 years in corporate training. She is certified Franklin Covey coach, certified 6 seconds EI practitioner, certified NLP practitioner, and presently she is HOT of psychology and counselor, mental health and wellness practitioner. So I request Mrs. Panchanathan to say few words to encourage our children and start this summer camp. Thank you.
Hi, hello to all the lovely people who are here today about the summer camp. How many of you are excited about the summer camp? Come on, quickly give me a yes in your chat box. I'm excited about your summer camp. I don't know about you. I'm super excited. The moment I saw the message about the camp, I said, I want to be in this camp. You know, like little children, I put my hand up and I said, Ma'am, me, I want to be there. I messaged your project, ma'am, and I said, Ma'am, I want to be in the camp. Wonderful idea. So, children, wonderful. You're going to have a phenomenal time over the next 1 week. I saw the list of topics are absolute lucky generation. You're at home, but just through your laptop and through your phone, you're going to learn so much. There's so many experts who are going to come and show you how to cook and how to take care of yourself, and everything is happening through your device or through your laptop. So you online safety is very important for all to learn to bloom wherever you are, whatever your circumstances are. We all have to make the most of it. So with that, lots of love, children, to all of you. God bless you all and have a wonderful, wonderful time. Thank you.
Many of my friends, they do cycling for their height. Many of them do the rope skipping for a better height. Very same way, we have to work with our brain to have a better personality.
Yes.
Read the color of the word.
Red, yellow,
Next.
orange, green, yellow, red.
But what was the difficulty?
Ma'am, I think so that I was trying to read the names, but then I was looking at the colors. So I was having the confusion at the starting in the first two words.
Yes. And so this is what is the another secret of our brain, bachas.
Just compare these objects with our Earth. So as you can see from here that Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Okay, and not just the largest planet, it's a massive planet. Uska mass जो है वो काफी ज़्यादा है. Okay, and you can see how small Earth is in front of Jupiter. So you can see like how small we're comparing these four stars, like earlier stars with Betelgeuse and Antares, and you can see that sun is hardly visible. Okay, even Sirius is not visible. Okay, the soul that shown with arrow is our solar system. You can see how small our solar system is in front of these stars. People are like very hot and they shine with blue color. So if I see any blue color star or white color star, हमको ये पता चल जाना चाहिए कि ये जो स्टार्स है वो कैसे न्यूबॉर्न स्टार्स है एंड वो काफी ज्यादा हॉट स्टार्स है. ओके, सी हॉट मतलब क्या, उनके पास ज्यादा एनर्जी है. जब हम लोग लाइक यंग होते हैं या फिर जब हम लोग लेट्स से जवान होते हैं, तब हमारे पास क्या होता है, बहुत सारा एनर्जी होता है. साल पहले 10,000 साल पहले एक सुपरनोवा हुआ था. ओके, सुपरनोवा हुआ था एंड वो सुपरनोवा इतना बड़ा था कि वो जो स्टार है वो हमें दिन के वक्त भी विजिबल था. जो लोगों ने उनको देखा 10,000 साल पहले, उनको वो दिन के वक्त भी विजिबल था. सो आज जब हम वहां पर देखते हैं तो हमें वहां पर एक नेबुला दिखाई देता है. तो इसे हम लोग यूजुअली हम लोग उसे सुपरनोवा
is just very, very angry and very suspicious kind of a character. So we are just going to give this line and this line. Okay? Then we are going to show a nosy, big nosy. Okay? Then he's not happy, right? You're just going to give it a line, nothing else. Okay? Now what happens is, as I told you, near nosy, we are going to give 2 dots. Okay? Just join those 2 dots with the vertical shape. Okay? Now for this chin, he is angry, right? We are going to show a chin like this massive. Okay? We are going to draw this chin. Okay? Then we are going to just connect this part. Far more important for me is it takes away your mental stress and burden away. In the sense, you write it down, everything, and it just takes your stress away. You know, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है जो हम लोग मम्मी पापा को नहीं बता सकते, मैं मेरे अभी हस्बैंड को नहीं बता सकती, और you know you can't even share those secrets with your bestest of the friend. So what to do? You know, you just write that down and just tear it away, फेंक दो उसको कचरे के डब्बे में. इट डजंट मैटर. ओके, सो ये बर्डन जो होता है ना दिल पे कि यार मैं किसको बताऊं, वो निकल जाएगा. ओके, एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट राइटिंग हेल्प्स बिकॉज you are your best buddy. Okay, you are your oh, I'm going to listen to Gauri ma'am again. They will get that feeling soon. Okay.
That was really nice. Thank you so much for introducing me so well, Prajakta. And thank you all for inviting me and giving me opportunity to present my presentation in front of you all. And I have always loved interacting.
You just can just wear it like this.
Okay.
If you want to.
I'll just. Is it audible now?
Yeah, it is very much. But choose.
Okay.
Yeah, she is audible. Type in yes, yes, yes. But choose. Guys. Huh.
Yes.
It's called Darwin's bark spider, and the female has a remarkable strategy. Like a real-life spider woman, she sprays strands of silk in one long, continuous flow. The threads fan out like a sail and drift on air currents blowing across the water.
Important tip that I always keep my eyes towards that end of the room, you know, near that. I just keep on moving. I move my eyes. Okay, I always move my eyes, but I move my eyes like I am like looking in, like I'm talking to the walls. 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 Like I'm speaking. Okay, that's my speech going on, and I'm just looking. I'm just looking around so that nobody can, defocus you, and your flow can be, at best. Then what happens next is you have to balance your weight on both legs. Keep gap around like half a meter, not more than that. Free your hands and occasionally move. Like see, now when I'm sitting also, I'm not sitting like this, or I'm not sitting like this, or I'm not clenched myself, because if I clench myself, I will not be able to express. So what I generally do is I move my hands, I express myself, but I don't move my hands. I've understood this types of textures we can give. So don't you worry about it. Once you increase the key is like you increase the concentration of the coffee, the thing will be darker. The drawing will be darker. The shade will be darker. You increase the water, the shade will be lighter. Second thing is that when you do a layering thing, see, I'll show you. This is a block which I am making with the original paint of coffee. Okay. I let it dry. Okay. Now this is that original one. So I'll just apply one more coat after drying. So it will also give you dark effect. See, one more coat. It's dark. See here.
Outer wing of these butterflies are just brown in color and they look like a dry leaf, so that no predator can eat them. Still the predators eat them, no doubt, but to keep away the predator, they have this mimicry like a dry leaf. This is a bagworm or the molikida. So you can say just a bag of dry sticks or the just small thin branches of the leaf. But inside this there is a worm. Here inside this there is a worm, and this worm is actually a caterpillar of a moth. So it will slowly, after the pupa condition is over, it will develop into a moth. So again, for its safety, it cover itself with the small branches or sticks and mimic like a dry branch or the dry stick of the plant and protect it. Same.
Now ये हो गया आपका cute सा flower. Check out. You know, when you don't have anything, and your mom or dad is angry on you, you can make such flower and give it to them and say sorry note or I love you note, and see, it looks so good. See, voila, this is so nice. Okay, when you will complete this entire circle, it is going to look very much awesome. So again, for any art, don't forget, guys, you are going to sign here. So I'm just signing before itself. It's Praju. अपने बच्चों के लिए भी स्पेशल रेसिपीज बना सकते हैं, एंड किड्स कैन मेक इट फॉर देयर पेरेंट्स टू मेक देम फील स्पेशल. ओके, एंड टुडे very much important thing is that we are going to do this challenge, India's most online cooking challenge by Amul India, and the Limca Book of World Records is going to feature this challenge, and Chef Girish is going to be live with these people online, and we all are going to witness the same recipe as he goes for Limca Book of World Records online on other platform. We are going to even witness him in our summer camp. So let's get.
As Prajakta has already mentioned, I'll be doing one of the recipe for Amul India. Yesterday also I was a part of it, and today also we'll be doing almost 1,250 chefs we are participating, and it will be one recipe. 6 ingredients will be same ingredients will be cooked by 1,250 people, 50 chefs rather, all across world. It is not only in India, it is all over the world. Almost 12 countries are participating in that. So I'm very lucky to be a part of it. Very important tip: put them in the ice cold water for minimum 10 to 15 minutes. Take it out, then put them in the hot water. Okay, for a minute, boiled water. Put potatoes, keep it for a minute, take it out. Okay, and keep it in the refrigerator. Then take it out and put it in the very hot oil. Okay, so you will have you can make a same French fries what you will be served in McD's and KFC's, and even.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, officially, we are going to conclude our very productive and fruitful summer camp. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all the speakers, counselors, and professionals who take out their precious time from their very busy schedule, I know, and enlighten the children with very informative and interesting facts, whether it is related to universe, nature, evolution, or the secrets of brain. They equally enjoy art and craft, drawing, and cooking skills. I must say these things are really going to help them in future. Once again, thanks a lot everyone for keeping the children engaged in such a fun and frolic activities during such a testing COVID times. Thank you so much, everyone.
We are going to be apart and we are not going to meet daily now, but we are going to be in touch with each other. Feel free to contact me anytime for any of your doubts. And guys, stay happy, stay safe, take care of yourself, do apply best of the knowledge of the summer camp, evolve, enjoy each day, enjoy each moment, be happy, and just all the blessing, guys. Hope you have loved our short and sweet journey of Padinare Online Summer Camp. And guys,
Good evening, everyone. Today I would like to thank the Padinari family for giving us such a wonderful 4-day summer camp. It was a really great summer camp. We learned a lot of things, and that also from the very professionals in their respective fields, whether it was astronomy, psychology, environment, cooking, or arts and craft. It was a great camp in all. We had lots of fun, and I loved the art and craft sessions. But the lectures were also very interesting and gave us a lot of knowledge. So I would like to thank the Padinare family for giving us such a great opportunity and for filling our minds with positivity in these times of distress. Thank you.
Greetings to one and all. I am Kabir Tiwari. I would give Padinare Summer Camp a 10 out of 10 because the teachers used to teach me so elaborately and so nicely that I had no questions to ask them. I thought that this summer camp would have been lasted a few days more because I loved sitting at 10:30 in the morning till 12:30 in the noon. I would thank Projecta ma'am for inspiring us. She was a great inspiration and inspired us to join this summer camp. She even inspired us to learn and understand new things. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank Prajakta ma'am and the team of the summer camp. Thank you so much for engaging us children into such interesting activities. I never found the activities or any classes boring and looked forward to it every day. I would also like to thank all the teachers who helped me during the summer camp. They taught me in such an interesting manner that I never found any of the class boring. Thank you so much, Prajakta ma'am, for teaching us so many activities such as cartoon painting, coffee painting, and mandala art. And thank you so much for your lectures too. They helped me a lot. Once again, thank you.
Friend, my name is Dhruvi Rane. I would like to thank you, Praju ma'am and Petinary family for organizing this online summer camp. I really enjoy a lot. I learned craft, coffee painting, cartooning, and mandal art. I can make a sandwich. Thank you, Chef Girish. Yes, ma'am. I am waiting for next summer camp. Bye. Thank you. Good
It was a great summer camp. I enjoyed a lot in this summer camp. I was really bored due to the lockdown, but when I joined this summer camp, I was forgot everything of the lockdown. Actually, I am weak in drawing and craft, but when I do such activities of drawing and craft, I really enjoyed. And first time I draw such a beautiful drawing. I get knowledge of environment, of universe, of cooking, of green neighbors. It was a great experience for me. You are a great man. You are so friendly to me. You never let me bore for a second. I will never forget this summer camp. I am so lucky that I get chance to join this summer camp. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, Prajakta ma'am. We are speakers on sentence of the online summer camp. I like the summer camp because I learned the secrets of brain, then my favorite universe, then I make a cartoon and coffee painting. Thank you all the teachers and Prajakta ma'am for make this online summer camp.
Hello everyone, I am Prajakta ma'am. I am Sonia. I am studying in 10th class and I am from HQ company. Today I will tell about summer camp which is held in this week. In this week. Thank you Prajakta ma'am which you held a summer camp, and in first lecture secret of brains I will learn lot of things in that lecture about my brain and how it's work. In second lecture the astronomy I like that lecture because I know how we small are. That video which is shown by the teacher was been superb. And thank you ma'am to tell us a very important thing, how to speak. I really like that video, Prajakta ma'am. Thank you so much. I will apply in my life also in any competition which is held which I have to speak. I will apply in that competition. Thank you ma'am. And I will glad to say that. And glad to say that cartooning painting which is teach you, it was superb ma'am. In third lecture the naturalist which came and tell us lot of things. I will like that also. And I don't know so how many animals are there, and I will never notice very well that they are around us. After lockdown, I will go outside and see that small insects, animals, etc., and trees also. And thank you, Prajakta ma'am, which is you held a summer camp. And in fourth lecture, I am very happy that lecture I will only like a copy painting, which is told you ma'am, and a craft I will also like that. In the chef Girish sir was being superb. How he cooking skills was being superb. I know how to cut vegetables, etc. Prajakta ma'am, thank you too, because I like the copy painting, cartooning art, etc. And any competition of painting I will do that. Thank you ma'am. Thank you and everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Rishita and this is Yatin. Today I'm going to share about my experience of my Padnari online summer camp. And one more with you, Yatin.
And I'm very excited to tell you about my experience on my online summer camp.
On the first day, I learned about secrets of brain. It was very, very, very interesting. I learned many secrets of brain. And my favorite topic on that was the locking fingers. And I learned that which brain is active of mine. And on the second day, we learned about the universe. We are the lover of universe, means space lovers. And on that, I like the that the video of the what is the small thing of the universe till the last means of the big thing. Thank you, Renuka ma'am. I'm sorry I forgot to tell thank you to Madhura ma'am. Sorry ma'am. Thank you ma'am, Madhura ma'am. And on that day only,
We learned about art of cartooning. It was very funny and excited.
and on third day we learned about the green neighbors. I also love the nature. The nature, or I learned flora, fauna, animals, plants, and the butterflies. I was searching around the Umrah that where are that ma'am told that flowers. I was searching for that. Thank you so much, ma'am, for telling us about that means flowers. For that, thank you, ma'am.
On that day only, we learned about coffee painting. It was very interesting, and my favorite topic was the rose. The roses to make it, it was very excited. And the day fourth, the key to survival by Dr. Shreya. We learn about the human's evolution. I like that very much. Thank you to Dr. Shreya ma'am.
And on that note only we learned mandal art and the flower making. We liked that so much. The mandal art was like the printing, means the how the printed paper comes. It was like that only. And flower was so creative type. I liked so much.
Last but not the least, on day 5th, that was today, and it was very fantastic. And we can help our mothers also. That is the love of cooking. We know how to cut the vegetables. It was very excited to know about it. And now can I help our mummy to cutting and chopping. Thank you to Grish sir.
We are very thankful that we are a part of this Parnari online summer camp. We are so glad to be, and we had a wonderful experience.
Thanks a lot to see you, ma'am. I'm Prajakta, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Prajakta ma'am, that you found such a great idea of this online summer camp. Thank you so much, Prajakta ma'am.
Thank you so much, Prajakta ma'am.
And the paintings that we make, this art of cartooning. And now the coffee painting.
And now the mandala. Thank you to all ma'ams. Thank you.
And this was the flower that we make on that day. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You have been great audience and great support. Thank you guys, and now I officially close the summer camp. Bye bye.